Good afternoon, everyone. How are you?
Fine. Teacher, I am fine.
Good, good, very good. Now, everyone, today is an art class, so get ready to do some art and copy. Art copy, everyone. We are going to draw an art copy. Let me see what you have done is the origami butterfly. Wow, Abraham, that's nice. Good job. Everyone, nice, Zainab. Good job. Nice, very nice. Very good, Zainab. Zainab, did you make a hanging butterfly?
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, Hassan. How are you?
टीचर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Okay.
कैसे आ रही है मिस?
Yes, everyone.
टीचर
Should I speak louder now?
टीचर
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hold on. Let me mute everyone. Then you can hear my voice loud and clear. Everyone, let me show you Malahim is showing something which is very, very interesting. Thank you, Malahim. It is very interesting. Wow. So many butterflies. Can you see it, everyone? There are so many butterflies. Now, wow. Did you try making these things in home, Zainab, Abraham? Did you guys try this? Malahim, how much time do you take to make this thing? Unmute your mic and share your experience. How much time will it take to make this thing?
जब आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही? Now can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, good. Malahim, would you like to share your experience? How did you make it? Did you make it yourself? Did someone help you?
Help.
Malahim, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell us how much time will it make to make this hanging? Did it take 1 day, 2 day, or just 4 to 3 hours? How much time?
3 hours.
3 hours. Wow, amazing. Good job, Alahim. Well done. Nice. Everyone, you make so many butterflies and make in a hanging. Okay, it will look beautiful, and that way you can preserve your origami butterfly. Okay. Okay, everyone, try to make so many butterflies. Once you make one or two, you will realize how to do it more than one. Okay, everyone. Okay, we are going to do today very nice. I like it, Zainab. Nice. Try to make more colorful so that when it's hang down, it will look more beautiful. Okay. Those who join me now, we are going to do arts. Though we are going to do drawings in arts copy. So bring out your arts copy. Bring out your arts copy. We are going to do the first drawing in arts copy. The first drawing in arts copy. Yes, Malaim, you have question? Arts copy, everyone, bring it out. Bring out your pencil and color pencils also. Yes, Malahim. Everyone, I'm gonna do the first drawing. You have to leave the first page. You know the rule from your first and second class that you have to leave. Yes, Asan, this is the arts copy. Everyone, you have to write down the title on the subject is arts, A-R-T-S, arts. Okay. Now you have to leave the first page, very first page, because you don't work on the first page. So you have to write down the title heading on the back of the first page, fall term. Fall term. The back of the first page, fall term. Yes, Zainab. On the first back page. Leave the front page of the first page. We do not work on the front page of the first one. Yes, on the back page of the first page, you have to write down fall term title page. And on the second page front, we are going to draw the top line just like we do in class. Okay? You see, this is the whiteboard of mine. I'm going to draw the line over here, which you always do once you start working on arts copy. With the measure of your one finger, you have to draw the first line, the top line, where you will be writing the date, which is 15 September 2020. You have to write down the date on the left side of your page. Okay, draw the line, and the heading is shape into form. First, we learned the elements of drawing. Elements of drawing. Elements of drawing. Here we are going to write something. Here we are going to write something right now on the first page. What are the elements of drawing? Then we'll start working on each element one by one through all this year. The first element is dot. Please unmute your mic. If you have a question, then you can unmute. Yes, Abraham, what is your question?
टीचर ये देखिए मेरी बटरफ्लाई.
I saw it, butterfly. I saw your butterfly. It's very cute and very pretty. Good job. Try to make more butterflies. That way you can make a hanging, okay?
Okay.
Good. Now everyone, you have to write down these things. Number one is dot. Number two is line. I will explain once you write it down, okay? Number three is shape. Number four is form. And number five is shade or shadow. Number six is texture. These are the elements of drawing. Try to draw the line and write it down, okay? Yes, Malaim, what's your question?
ये लाइन बनानी है, बॉक्स बनाना है.
This is the page of your drawing. What you're gonna do is draw the top line, write down elements of drawing in the center and your date on the right side, left side, and then write down these things. You can draw the line if you feel like falling apart your writing. Then you can draw the line over here, a small line like this. Small line you can draw over here so that you can write on a straight line. Like this. Okay? Now the first element we are going to do. Let's discuss the elements of drawing right now. You done writing, everyone? Once you are done, show me your thumbs up so that I can start explaining you what are these 6 elements of drawing. What are the elements of drawing? Drawing is simple. Drawing means draw something. Elements means once you start drawing, with the help of what things you start drawing. How you start making drawings. The basic thing of drawing. Now you are in class 3, you must understand the points, how to draw, how to start drawing, how to make something, how to convert something. You already know the shape, you already know the form, you already know the shadow, and you also know the texture. You must understand these things, but you don't understand how they all comes with the help of first experiment, that is dot. Whenever you start the drawing, whenever you start the drawing, you always draw the first point, which is dot. You always start your drawing with the dot. Okay, you always start your drawing with the dot. This is the first element. Whenever you want to start, you always draw a dot and then you start the line. Okay, the first thing you will do is you put your pencil on the paper and then you start drawing. So the very first thing before you draw anything is dot. Dot. Before anything. If you want to write, you always start with the dot. Okay? With the dot. Try to remember these things. I will ask question one by one. That what is the first element, what is the second element, what is the third element, okay? Now the second point is line. Once I start with the dot, I will draw the line, whichever what I want to make. So it's called line. Whether it's a straight up line or horizontal line or diagonal line or zigzag line or any rough line, okay? It can be any line. There is no restriction in line. Whatever you draw, starting from the point, it's called line, okay? Whether it's straight up and down, whether it's like this, you always start with one point and you move forward and it's called line. So the second point is line. Now the third is form. Once you start drawing the line, you make it into a form. It doesn't matter if it's a square, rectangle, triangle, any form. There is no limitation in the form. See, I started with the dot, then I move toward the line, and then I draw a shape. The third thing is done. Shape is done. Now the fourth thing is form. What is form called? Can anyone explain it to me? Why there is a difference between shape and form? Abraham, you're the first one who raised the hand. Yes, please. Explain.
फॉर्म होता है कि जैसे आप कोई शेप बना रहे हो.
Shape is. Then what is the difference between shape and form? What is the simple difference?
जो है टीचर सिंपल डिफरेंट है कि शेप जो है आप ट्रायंगल रेक्टेंगल करते हैं लेकिन उसको फॉर्म की जरूरत होती है ताकि वो कर सके.
Anyone else? It's not a clear answer, Abraham. Still, you are close, but it's not clear answer. Anyone else want to try explaining what is the simple difference between shape and form? Anyone? Now let me tell you. Shape is a 2D picture and form is a 3D form, 3D picture. Shape is a 2D. See, you can see it's a flat shape. There is no form of it. There is no 3D on it. Once you start making the 3D lines, it gets form like this. I'm making it into a form. See the difference? You can see the difference between 2D and 3D. See, this is the form I'm talking about. Now you see the difference? The flat front surface is the flat difference. The first simple difference between shape and form is Hassan, use the Zoom reaction for raise your hand, okay? Yes, the simple difference between shape and form is 2D and 3D. 2D is a flat picture, flat surface, and 3D is a ball that you can touch with the back object, like ball. It's a 3D. Yes, Hassan.
बनाने हैं.
Yes, we are going to draw one by one. Not right now. You have to just write it down. Do not draw right now, okay? I'll tell you when to draw. I will let you know when to draw. You can write down 2D and 3D in front of the shape and form, but I will tell you when to draw. Okay, do not draw right now. Anything else, Hassan? No? Okay. Yes, who else have some questions? Okay, Rehan has a
No,
question.
miss.
Yes, Rehan. Unmute your mic, Rehan.
मिस कौन सी कॉपी में करना है?
Obviously,
मिस
it's an
कौन
arts
सी कॉपी
copy.
में करना है?
We are working on art, so it's an arts copy. You have to do these things on arts copy. You just join, Rehan. Yes, who else have a question? Zainab has a question. Yes, Zainab.
Teacher, your voice is so slow.
Now it's clear?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else? Malahim? Yes, Malahim.
टीचर आज ये शेप बना रही थी, ये बनाना था.
Not now. You just have to write down. I will tell you. I will show you a video how to draw one by one. Okay. You just have to write down these things right now. I'm just explaining, so that's why I'm using these shapes for explanation. Yes, Abraham.
टीचर मैं कह रहा था कि शेप भी 3D होती है.
No, shape 3D nahi hoti. Shape is a 2D form. Once you convert into a 3D, it called form, not shape. Let me give you an example of a 3D and 2D with the video, okay? Let me give you an example of a 2D and 3D. See this video now. You have to draw, everyone. You have to draw what you have seen in this video, okay? I'm going to share it with you. Now you can see this video. You see the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. There, start drawing. You can draw like this. In this page, turn around the page. In the back of your page, second page, you have to draw this thing. The back of the second page, you have to draw this 3D shape. Starting from the line. Okay, everyone? First, on the back page, you have to use the ruler in the horizontal direction. Okay, everyone, do not draw in vertical lines. Use your page in a horizontal direction, like a landscape. Okay, landscape pe drawing karni hai, everyone. Draw the top line and write down 3D heading and see the video. I will share you video in also university portal. So if somebody missed this thing, you can copy it from your university portal. can color it down. It's up to you. You can use paint or color pencils or crayons. It's up to you. Now you see the 3D shapes. I will share you video this on University. You can copy it from there. Let me show you the video of how to shape convert into a form. The simple example, and then after that you will understand how the shape convert into a forms. Okay. Everyone, are you drawing? You have to draw this drawing on the back of the second page, okay? Where you write down elements of drawing, you have to draw on the back side because we need a lot of space for this 6 boxes. You have to draw this thing. Yes, Malahim? Yes, Malahim?
टीचर ये जो आप दिखा रही थी
Yes, the thing I share with you. Yes, the video I share with you, you have to draw these things.
टीचर मैंने नहीं बनाई.
Okay, I will share you this video on your university. You can copy and drawing from there, okay? I will share you that video over there. Everyone, you all know how to draw now. You have to draw this 6 shape into a form like called 3D. And I will share you also a video how to convert a 3D shape into an scenery. I will share also that video. You can try after this work, okay? You can do in artwork, art copy. The front page of the third page, okay? You can do the art in art copy like this one. I will share you the video. Hold on. Oh no, the time is up, so I cannot share you right now. Let me share this video in the next class. The how to convert the basic shape into a scenery with the different color papers and how to make a form. You already see the form, the simple form in this video. Okay, I hope you can try making these things in the first page of the back side. No, sorry, second page back side. Okay, everyone? You all understand how to make this thing? You all understand how to make this thing? See the simple shape making into a scenery. You can also try this thing and paste it in arts copy. everyone, the time is up. Oh, I'm so sorry for not completing this video. I hope this video I will share with you in the next class, how to make the shape into a form and how you can draw the form into a beautiful drawing. Okay, next time, try to draw it on the arts copy as well. If you have any other ideas, you can share with me. Okay, but do not try on arts copy. If you have any idea, if you want to draw something more, you can try in rough paper and then you can staple it in arts copy. Okay, okay everyone. Hello everyone. Yes, you still there with me everyone? Yes, thumbs up. Okay everyone, thank you for joining. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Talbiya, yes. Allah Hafiz.